Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you some WWE 2K25 locker codes working right now in 2025. You're going to be able to unlock everything, so that includes all characters in WWE 2K25 using a simple locker code. And I spent a long time searching Google and also watching YouTube videos, reading Reddit, trying tons of different codes, and the locker code that I'm going to show you in this tutorial is by far the best because you can unlock everything in WWE 2K25. So as you can see, guys, I'm using my mobile phone, so I recommend you do this on your mobile, and this is just making the process of getting your personal locker code easier. And once you have your mobile phone, open up the internet browser, and you're going to want to go to www.coldcoupons.com. So you just got to type it like this, guys, to head on over to Cold Coupons. And this website is awesome. They have game codes for pretty much every game you can imagine. I've used them a lot over the past year. So what you're going to want to do is use that search bar and just type in WWE, and this is the 2K25 page here. Now there's a couple of different options on this page, guys. You can get a free game code, but I'm assuming you already have the game if you're watching this video. So this is the locker code that I'm focusing on, guys. This is a WWE 2K25 unlock everything locker code. So this is going to unlock all, and this is a simple premium locker code, guys. So basically this is completely free, and it does take a few minutes to do this, but you are going to unlock everything in game. So it's sort of like an admin code, I guess. So wait for this to load up. And as you can see, guys, you need to unlock your personal locker code because these are limited codes. There's 128 of them at the time of recording this video, but they do replenish quite often. So you do need to unlock your personal locker code. So to do that, guys, you've got to follow the instructions on this code unlocker. You've got to complete 2 of the free tasks below. And basically, guys, you're going to see a list of tasks that are all completely free. You need to select 2 of them and fully complete the tasks required. And as you can see, there is a description that tells you how to complete them. They're pretty easy, guys. They're simple things like installing mobile apps and playing games, for example, answering questions. Just follow the instructions. I'm going to skip past that step. But once you do that, guys, your locker code will be revealed. So your WWE 2K25 locker code to unlock everything in-game will be shown in this box here. You can redeem it in WWE 2K25 in the locker code entry, and that is how to unlock everything. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Head on over to Cold Coupons and do just make sure you follow all of the instructions to unlock your personal code, and they're the best WWE 2K25 locker codes. So yeah, I'll see you in the next tutorial, guys. Peace out.